Following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government and the United States Social Security Administration. An Amber Alert has been issued for Phoenix, Arizona until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. This Amber Alert is regarding 17-year-old Jonas Wright. He is a white male, weight of 100 pounds, brown short hair and blue eyes, and was last seen in a blue and white shirt, black sweater with a drawing of Saturn on it, grape pants, white and green shoes and a black fedora. If you have whereabouts or sightings of Jonas, call the Phoenix Police Department. This message will repeat unless an update has been given. Following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government and the United States Social Security Administration. Civil danger warning for Phoenix, Arizona until tomorrow at 6 a.m. the following morning. We have found a barrel of radiation down in Phoenix Mountains. Do not attempt to interact with this barrel, as it will be removed immediately. Along with an update regarding 17-year-old Jonas Wright. He is a white male, weight of 142 pounds, brown short hair and blue eyes, and was last seen in a blue and white shirt, black sweater with a drawing of Saturn on it, grape pants, white and green shoes and a black fedora. Along with it, an update on Jonas came from a nearby friend. They state that he went hiking in Phoenix Mountains at night. A possible chance is that Jonas may have been exposed to severe radiation in the mountains. Regardless, if you have tracings of Jonas, dial the Phoenix Police Department.
Earthquake warning for all of Arizona until the 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Coming from the Phoenix Mountains, several boulders and rocks suddenly moved towards the nuclear barrel. Stay away from tall buildings and high places. This was first assumed to be an avalanche, but we has also reported severe vibration. Hide under a sturdy area, or have comfy parts in case. Avoid sharp objects like broken light bulbs, windows, rocky slopes, etc. Dust and debris may also spread to far areas, mostly coming from the Phoenix Mountains. It will be dangerous to drive, as some areas may collapse from massive vibration. This warning has been mostly for the area of Phoenix, but will spread over Arizona. This message will repeat until 12 p.m. the same day. Earthquake warning for all of Arizona until the 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Civil danger warning for all of Phoenix, Arizona until further notice. A stack of boulders from the Phoenix Mountains suddenly formed a huge golem with a nuclear barrel inside. The golem is 21 feet tall, made of dusty beige rocks and boulders, has a glowing yellow heart. Glow the rock golem also appears to have a logo of Saturn on its chest. This looks familiar to Jonas Wright. His black sweater has the same Saturn logo. This golem may have some strong powers that are dangerous to humans. If you spot it, run and hide immediately. Updates will be given for your area, especially for the area of Phoenix. Civil danger warning for all of Phoenix, Arizona.
Welcome on to 98.5 KLUC, Las Vegas's #1 hit radio station on the top 40 biggest music hits. Our current news is a golem-like creature appearance in Phoenix, Arizona. They recently... Oh crap. Please stand by. Emergency action notification.
Emergency action notification for Las Vegas, Nevada. Until further notice, a golem from Phoenix Mountains has came to Las Vegas. This golem is 21 feet tall, has yellow eyes and glowing yellow heart, spiky rock hair, and a Saturn logo in the center of its chest. Under that Saturn logo is a nuclear glowing barrel. We assume this golem is Jonas Wright, a 17-year-old from Arizona. This golem is required avoidance, as its abilities can harm many. It can jump high, break a building with its fist, can throw houses and cause massive harm to human life. It is easier to spot, but unpredictable. Be cautious of where you go, as it may have severe damage.
This is radio station 100.1 The Beat, for Bastrop, Louisiana. Our news is a 24-foot golem reported in New Orleans and Baton Rouge. Police and armed forces are sent to the situation, due to the golem's multiple attacks and property damage. Along with that, evacuation protocols are for the area of Louisiana. Other radio stations are providing news specifically for all of Louisiana. Our radio station will not provide response in 2 minutes.
Civil danger warning for Orlando, Florida, until further notice. A golem originating from Arizona has been spotted in nearby neighborhoods and public areas. This golem has the ability to destroy property, grow in size, and shift into a ball. Urban areas are not suggested for evacuation because they are the most damaged and full. Military and armed forces are temporarily depleted due to all the property damage in the United States. Updates will be given if a major event has been recent. Radio stations and networks may not respond due to sudden signal abruptions. For more information, go visit our website. Civil danger warning for Orlando, Florida, until further notice. A golem originating from Arizona has been spotted in nearby is 92.9 The Wave. Service on Virginia Beach. Our current news is a rock golem with a Saturn logo on its chest, glowing yellow eyes, and has dangerous abilities to human life. This includes growing in size, rolling into a ball, and several other capabilities that may have harm to human life. And an immediate evacuation is required for Virginia Beach. You will require necessary supplies, including the following: food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a battery-powered radio. These are mostly vital for survival, but get any essentials available to you. Armed forces are limited and depleted due to lots of damage. If you see the golem, do not follow them. And do not return home unless told by military forces or an update has been given. emergency action notification for all of NYC. Effective until further notice. The Golem has jumped high while growing in size. It is expected to land in the middle of Manhattan, so if you are in the area of Manhattan, a evacuation will be needed, but will not be permanent. This Golem was from Arizona thanks to nuclear radiation, so if it breaks, immense radiation will spread, making his place more dangerous. Pack and evacuate now. This will be starting 2 hours from now, and will cause severe damage to central Manhattan. The situation will be resolved, but do not attempt returning home for another few days, to remove all the rocks and radiation to stop. This Golem is currently shaping into a ball while over the stratosphere, meaning aircrafts nearby hovering New York will require to move out or delay over NYC, specifically for flights from JFK and other NYC airports. This message will repeat especially for radio stations in NYC and surrounding areas. Emergency action notification for all of NYC. Effective until further notice. The Golem This is a new update on the destruction in NYC. Most of central Manhattan was destroyed and was full of nuclear radiation since 5 days ago. Most of the debris cleared. Through there is very little radioactive damage which require those 16 and under cautioned. Keep wearing a hazmat suit if you are going outside. Thankfully, the radiation has not spread to oceans or bodies of water in NYC. Further information will be on news channels, along with others in Long Island. Rocks from the Golem are still being removed. And the final death count is expected to be around 3,000 people. 7,400 others were injured during the process. Aircrafts have successfully left the area during evacuation. It's now time to return to normal programming.